Hi, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and today I want to showcase the Nectar Lace Blush Subtle Palette that came in our LANCOME 2023 gift with purchase, and I will be showcasing a lot more of those products in the weeks to come, so stay tuned. But actually, this is a blush palette. My bad. Thought it was an eyeshadow palette. Excuse me, the last video, I should have paid more attention, right? But because it was so little and cute, I thought it was eyeshadow. Anyway, it reminded me of a trick that I used to use with all my LANCOME clients for years, and that is to take one palette and use it for multi uses on your face. You can do this. It's an insider secret to use any palette, not just for blush, for the eye and the lips as well. And this is how I did it. Of course, we use the blush palette for the blush, using the contour shade as the contour, the Nectar Lace for the base shade, and we took the highlight up to the brow bone. But when I used it for the eyeshadow, I kind of tweaked it a little, and this is how I did that. I used the contour shade to rim my eye and mixed it with a little black eyeshadow because I used that like eyeliner. That's another trick. But I took the Nectar Lace peach color up to the brow bone and blended that out. Then I used the highlight shade on the outside of the brow bone just to catch the light. And it's totally gorgeous. Now, when I use this on my lips, because this is a dry color, I used the Lancome Tawny Doll color corrector. This is orange red, and it's perfect, almost a perfect match, which gave me a nice base to be able to use the dry color of the Nectar Lace on my lips. And it's such a nice, cohesive look. Color is color, ladies. Experiment, have fun. That's what it was meant for. We all love to play with makeup, but you don't have to buy expensive eye palettes, huge eye palettes, to get the base principles to do your makeup. And of course, like the gift with purchases are the best time to save money. So be sure and stay tuned for more videos of some of the products that I received in my spring 2023 gift with purchase. Stay tuned to Kim's Beauty Biz for all insider secrets from behind the cosmetics counter. And as always, much love.